My name is Gabe Cobb. In this short video, I would like to explain to you some of the basic principles of GPS and a few of the basic components that make up GPS, or Global Positioning System. So what is GPS? GPS is a space-based radio navigation system that is designed to pinpoint a single location on the globe. Back in the 1970s, the U.S. military started designing GPS, and from then on out it has been enhanced and is used in our everyday lives today. Many commercial air carriers use GPS for navigation. Your cars use GPS for navigation down the road, and even your smartphones can tell you where you're at on a sidewalk using GPS. Some of the components of GPS is made up of 29 different satellites, 24 of which are always active and 5 of which are spares. The reason for 24 is the number of satellites that we need to have full global coverage. So what I mean by that is you could be anywhere on the globe and have 3 different satellites pinpointing your global positioning transmitter at all times. One of the basic principles that GPS uses is trilateration. Behind me I have a sketch. I have a sketch of the state of Arizona, and I have 3 different satellites. Satellite 1, 2, and 3 annotated. Satellite 1 is blue, 2 is red, and 3 is green. So, the way trilateration works, let's just pretend that we can only see this blue semicircle. Let's take out the red and the green. So, this satellite sends a signal down to Earth or down to Arizona, and it says we are somewhere within this blue semicircle. Well, that's a very broad area, as you can see. I mean, it covers clear from the top of the state to 3/4 down to the bottom of the state. So we can't use that for navigation purposes. Satellite 2 sends its signal, and it overlaps Satellite 1. And what it's saying is we're somewhere between here and here. Satellite 3 pretty much dials in the other 2 satellites and makes it to where we can pinpoint our exact location. And what it does is it takes out every bit of error with the other 2 satellites and it pinpoints an exact location. So all 3 satellites are agreeing on one single location. So the way GPS works, exactly what I just said, trilateration pinpoints one single location on the globe or on Earth, and it tells you exactly where you're at. So that is the principle of trilateration, and that is how it applies to GPS. So I hope you learned something from this short video, and thanks for watching.